Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's all about how to achieve this twist. In this video I show easy method that even beginner can achieve this look, and it's so easy. But y'all, if you are my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if you are new to this family, you are welcome. My name is Glory Toy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. So I decided to show two different methods. The first method, you may decide to use elastic band or rubber band, and I use 4 pack of Brazilian wool. I also use gel or sand gel to apply on the section before braid. This can help me to hold all the hair together. So after I part the section, I divide the section into two. Each section I use 10 strands. Just like this way. You may decide to pull one strand a little bit longer so that it will be easy for you to secure at the end of the twist. So after this, I put the whole 10 strand at the middle of this section, and I use rubber band to secure it. After this, one side of this wool, I make sure I tuck my natural hair. And how I tuck, I make sure I put the natural hair at the middle, and then I roll the wool. And I roll till I make sure the wool cover my natural hair. Not 100%, but at least 95%. And after this, I start make twist. The way I make twist is just a regular twist. You have to roll both sides before you twist to get even twist. And I keep roll and twist till end of this wool. At the end, to avoid this wool to unravel, I make sure I take one piece, I wrap a couple times. You may decide to wrap maybe 5 times, 6 times, and then secure twice or 3 times to make your wool last longer. Again, I part the section. In today's video, I decided to go with triangle shape, but of course, you may decide to work with any shape you want to work with. The most important is to achieve protective style. The shape of the section does not matter at all. So after I section, I secure with elastic band, and then I make sure one side I tuck my hair well. And when I tuck, I make sure I roll one side. So when I pull another side, I just make twist direct. This is the method number 1. In case this method does not work for you, don't worry, honey. After this twist, I show the second method that you can use if you don't like to use elastic band. And this is how back looks like. This first strand, all of them, I use elastic band. So let's jump to another method. This method, after I make the section, I split the section into 3, and then I start braid. Here I just braid normal way. If you don't know how to braid, you may do even twist. All it's okay. So here I just braid till end of my hair. Then I make another section so that you can see, in case you're interested to make just triangle shape like mine, you may see how to start, like which side of your head you have to start to part the sections to get good triangle. So after I finish make the section, Don't forget to apply gel because gel always help you to hold all the hair together. It doesn't matter your hair is natural or relaxed. Once you use gel, things become more easy. So after I finish braid, I take crochet needle and I crochet 10 strands in every section. When you are braiding your natural hair, make sure you don't braid too tight because once you are crocheted, if you braid too tight, it will be a little bit painful to crochet the hair at the middle. But if you braid loose, it will be easy for you to crochet wool at the middle. So after I finish, pull the hair. Of course, I have to tuck the hair in. You don't want natural hair to show like 100%. You try your best to tuck in your natural hair. So after this, I just continue to regular twists, roll and roll and twist till end of the section. As you see, every time when I secure one strand is a little bit longer because before I start braiding, I make sure I pull one strand to make it a little bit longer in one side so that I can use that strand to secure well at the end of this twist. Finally, I'm done with braiding. So I go ahead and I trim off all the excess wool just to make sure the twist is clean and neat. You may decide to go ahead and band the ends, but that is completely option. And guys, this is the final result for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share with your loved ones you wish they know how to achieve this look. I love you so much and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.